so bored. Grandma so bored. Ain't I? Remix. You got to know the boy futuristic ain't it? My work can make the J's do the jump, man, can't it? You got to know this the remix right here. Grand hustle, baby, it's the kings right here. You got to know we guap it, package extra sloppy. Don't I love my vegetables, extra cheese and broccoli? Don't young lay like to kick it like karate? Don't I be with J Money serving everybody? Ain't we up in Magic City throwing up the profit? Ain't me and Tip taking off like a rocket? Ain't my money long? Ain't I still putting on? Ain't I smoking strong? Ain't I putting on? Ain't I rocking yays? Ain't my money long? Ain't I? Ain't no deal. Ain't I on the hill? On the bill.
I stand inside and my rim so big, I'm at the tip top, ain't I? Mospers in the trunk will make you do the Macarena. Pull up to the floor, yeah, motherfucker, ain't I? All black, cool, I can buy it, see, can't I? Remix, Young LA and T.I., this a banger. Throw you on that thing, you don't hear me trick, ain't I? Big road Russes, and I got them nauseous. We be in Ferraris, the cars with the horses. Ain't I on the pill, ride down deal. Ice 30 below, minus the wind chill. Ain't I packing chrome, and I'm blowing strong. Ain't I got it going on your drone.
Smoking strong, ain't I putting on? Ain't I rocking yays? Ain't my money long? Ain't I? Hey, this the king, homie. Well, ain't I? Well, ain't I? Hey, ain't I? Rap Lauren Purple label, ain't I fresh as I could be? Made it through my situation, ain't I blessed as I could be? Ain't I laughing at these haters trying to take a shot at me? They don't know which way to go, I make it easy, follow me. Honestly, ain't I insane? I think that's the way I gotta be. Ain't I so super fly, boy, ain't nobody hot as me. ATI all on TV when he wake up and go to sleep. Everywhere they notice me, ain't for yourself, just go and see. My community I'm serving, though they hope I don't succeed. Hear me speak, they so intrigued. Ain't he snitching? No indeed, you come with that common flow, your show I have to commandeer. Since I see you can't take over, I'll just have to volunteer. Hey, ain't I your superior? Listen here, bro, you not a peer. I'm so zone once it ain't funny, twice the G that I appear. Rep make it so loud and clear, gon' be gone for about a year. So paper trail you gotta hear, but ain't I outta here? Hey, ain't I?